Hi everyone, Marco here. Welcome back to the channel. If you stay with me until the end of this episode, you will follow everything calmly and clearly without translating in your head. You will imagine the scene, you will understand the details, and you will feel proud of yourself when it ends. This is a B1 listening story for intermediate learners, and the secret is simple: visual English. When you see the actions in your mind, the meaning becomes natural. It feels less like studying and more like watching a small movie in your imagination. So today, I invite you to join me in something small, quiet, and sensory. My morning coffee ritual. No pressure, no rush, just slow actions, warm smells, soft light, and English that you can follow in real time. Breathe, relax, and enjoy the story. It is early morning, and the light in the kitchen is soft and pale. The sun is not fully awake yet, and the apartment feels quiet. I move slowly across the floor, and I can feel the cool tiles under my feet. The air feels fresh, and I take a deep breath. I already smell coffee, even though I have not made it yet. My mind is ready, and my body knows exactly what to do. This is my routine. I open the kitchen window just a little. A breeze enters, and it mixes with the warm smell of the apartment. I turn on a small lamp near the counter. The light is golden and warm, and it makes the metal tools shine. The coffee grinder is waiting for me, silent and cold. The beans are inside a glass jar. They are dark, shiny, and full of promise. I take the jar with both hands. The glass feels cold and a bit heavy. I twist the metal lid and hear a soft click. Immediately, I smell the aroma of the beans. The smell is strong, rich, and earthy. I close my eyes for just 1 second. The smell makes my thoughts slow down. I pour some beans into the grinder. The sound is sharp and dry, like small stones hitting metal. I place the lid on top of the grinder and press the button. The kitchen fills with a loud grinding sound. It is not beautiful, but it feels familiar. I wait, and the sound becomes softer and softer until it stops completely. When I remove the lid, I see a cloud of coffee dust rise into the air. It smells even stronger now. It feels like morning. Next, I take the kettle and fill it with water from the sink. The water is clear and cold. I place the kettle on the stove and turn on the heat. A small flame appears under the metal surface. The flame dances and moves. I like watching it. It feels alive. While the water heats, I take a cup from the shelf. It is a white ceramic cup with a smooth shape. I rub my finger along the rim. It feels soft and warm, like a quiet friend. I place it on the counter. Now I take my small spoon and stir the coffee grounds just a little. They are dark and very fine. My finger touches the surface, and the powder feels soft and dry. I enjoy this moment. It is simple, but it makes me feel connected to the morning. The kettle begins to make a soft sound. First, I hear a low vibration, then a louder hum, and finally the whistle. I turn off the heat and hold the kettle carefully. Steam rises from the spout, and I watch it move slowly through the air. I pour the hot water over the coffee grounds. The sound is gentle, like rain on dry earth. The smell becomes stronger and warmer. I feel relaxed. As the coffee drips, I take a small piece of chocolate from the fridge. It is dark chocolate. I break it with my fingers. The sound is clean and sharp. I place it next to the cup. I will eat it later. After a minute, the coffee is ready. I lift the cup and feel the warmth through the ceramic. I bring it close to my face, and the steam touches my skin. I take a small sip. It is bitter, smooth, and a little fruity. I feel more awake immediately. The world becomes clearer and more colorful. Outside, a car passes on the street, and I hear the tires on the wet pavement. Maybe it rained at night. I open the window a little more and take another sip. I love this moment of silence. It feels like the day waits for me. While I drink, I watch the foam on the surface of the coffee. It moves slowly and changes shape. The colors in the cup look rich and deep. I place the cup on the table and sit down on the chair near the window. The chair makes a small noise on the floor as I pull it closer. The air near the window feels cool, but the cup keeps my hands warm. I take the chocolate and taste it with another sip of coffee. The bitterness of both tastes connects perfectly. It is not sweet, but it feels luxurious. This is my ritual. Small actions, simple sounds, slow movements, and natural smells. I take a deep breath and look outside. The sky is brighter now. The clouds are thin and white. A bus passes slowly. 2 people walk with backpacks. The city is waking up. I feel ready. I take my time with the last sips. I do not rush. I do not check my phone. I do not speak. I just observe. The cup becomes lighter, and the foam disappears. When I reach the bottom, I see a small circle of coffee on the ceramic surface. It feels like a quiet goodbye. I stand up, take the cup to the sink, and let water run over it. The warm coffee smell mixes with the cold water smell, and it creates a new aroma. I dry the cup and place it back on the shelf. The routine is complete. The day begins. Yesterday morning, I woke up early and made coffee slowly. The kitchen felt quiet, and the light from the window was soft and warm. I ground the beans, boiled the water, and waited with patience. The steam rose, and the smell filled the room. I drank the coffee with a small piece of chocolate, and the flavor was bitter and sweet at the same time. Outside, the city was waking up, and I felt calm and ready to begin my day. It was a simple ritual, but it made the morning feel peaceful and intentional. I grind the beans slowly while the kitchen fills with aroma. I grind the beans slowly while the kitchen fills with aroma. The kettle whistles and steam rises in the morning air. The kettle whistles and steam rises in the morning air. I pour the water and the coffee moves in circles. I pour the water and the coffee moves in circles. The chocolate melts and the flavor mixes with the bitterness. The chocolate melts and the flavor mixes with the bitterness. The window is open and cool air touches my skin. The window is open and cool air touches my skin. The city wakes up one sound at a time. The city wakes up one sound at a time. The ritual ends, and the day begins with quiet energy. The ritual ends, and the day begins with quiet energy. And that is my morning coffee ritual. Maybe you have your own version of this. Maybe it is tea, music, stretching, or a short walk. Something small that makes the morning feel like yours. Tell me how you start your day. I want to know what gives your morning a peaceful beginning. Do you have a morning ritual? What do you drink to start your day?